Developing tonight, the Sioux City man who prosecutors charged after he allegedly painted flowers on city manhole covers in the Morningside area wants the charges dismissed. Let's walk you through the new details tonight. The reasons for the dismissal are connected to a dismissal agreement signed back in November by Brandon Bradshaw, the man charged, Sioux City Mayor Bob Scott, and a representative of the Sioux City Chamber of Commerce who was working as a mediator. Now, a copy of this agreement says the city and its legal department had consulted and agreed with the Woodbury County Attorney's Office, who had agreed to dismiss the criminal charges against Bradshaw. Believing the agreement was supported by the county attorney and that the case was resolved, Bradshaw made multiple statements to news outlets discussing the manhole painting, believing these admissions could no longer be used criminally. His attorney claims Bradshaw later learned the agreement had not been vetted with either the city's legal department or the county attorney's office, that the county attorney had not agreed to dismiss any charges, and that the mayor's representations were false. Now, in Bradshaw's motion to dismiss the case, his attorney argues that allowing the trial to proceed at this point would violate fundamental fairness and undermine the integrity of the justice system. Now, the next hearing for this case is set for January 21st.